Kawasaki's Ninja H2 made a splash when it hit the market last year, and if you missed the window of opportunity to score one of the first run models, or perhaps it was priced a tad out of your range, then I have some good news for you. Introducing the Ninja H2SX and H2SX Special Edition. Brand new for 2018, the H2SX line presents itself as a sort of hypersport next door with large-ish windshield and relaxed rider's triangle as part of the comfort-oriented features package. This new line adds a dose of super to the sport touring genre with its supercharged four-banger that cranks out a generous 101 pounds, a grunt with enough electronic fandanglery to help you tame the beast, or at least protect you from yourself somewhat. Commuter or a really fast tourbike, the SX siblings cover a lot of everyday riding ground for riders who are looking for more than run-of-the-mill performance. Is it too much? Let's dig in and find out. On the SE, they mount the recessed LED cornering lights that illuminate the ground ahead of you in the turns, and come on automatically as the 5-axis Bosch detects the bike leaning into a turn. That little magic box does much more than this, but we'll get to that shortly. It's safe enough to call the windshield on the base SX generous by sport bike standards, but the SE takes it up a notch, literally, with a tall peak on the screen that will make for a larger, more comfortable wind pocket for long-distance rides. Inside the screen is the instrument cluster that pairs an analog clock for the tach with an LCD display that comes with a couple of display modes, an abbreviated display for sport-type riding and a more well-rounded display for when you can take the time to study your metrics for more than a split second at a time. Tubular steel members make up the trellis frame with particular care paid to the stiffness of each one, so the frame is stiff where it needs to be without carrying unnecessary weight. The wheelbase got stretched out to 58.3 inches long and the steering arc widened to 30 degrees with a 24.7 degree rake angle and 4.1 inches of trail. This makes for easy parking lot maneuvers and eager cornering. The factory made a number of small adjustments to the intake tract and ports for low-resistance induction, and the cams come re-ground for a more street-friendly temperament and broader power band that expands down into the lower rev range. Of course, the piece de resistance is the supercharger that boosts the volumetric efficiency far beyond natural aspiration, approximately 97% V, and turbocharging, up to 300% V, and could potentially run as high as 700% V. I doubt it's that high. The X-compressor air temps are low enough that it doesn't even need an intercooler, though it does use an aluminum chamber to bleed off compression heat. The winning continues into the checkout line. Those familiar with the original H2, and its carbon fiber cousin, will recall the sticker shock. Well, the prices on this pair are more reasonable, with a $19,000 sticker on the metallic carbon gray SX, and a $22,000 tag on the SX Special Edition in emerald blazed green, metallic Diablo black. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.